Step into a world of elegance with formal dining room ideas that redefine sophistication. From luxurious table settings to striking artwork, discover how to curate a space that captivates and enchants your guests. Whether you prefer classic refinement or modern flair, these concepts will inspire you to create the perfect backdrop for memorable dining experiences. Modern formal dining rooms blend elegance with contemporary design, creating inviting spaces for gatherings. Consider bold furniture choices, such as a sleek table paired with unique seating options, to foster conversation. Incorporate statement lighting and textured wall art to add warmth. Opt for a cohesive color palette that highlights architectural details while maintaining a relaxed atmosphere for memorable dining experiences. Small formal dining rooms can exude elegance with smart design choices. Opt for a round table to enhance intimacy and conversation, paired with stylish, space-saving chairs. Use light colors and mirrors to create an illusion of space, while a statement chandelier adds sophistication. Incorporating built-in storage can maximize functionality without sacrificing style, making every meal feel special. Elegant modern formal dining rooms can be achieved through a harmonious blend of sleek lines and luxurious materials. Choose a statement chandelier to illuminate the space, complemented by a refined dining table in rich wood or glass. Incorporate plush seating and textured fabrics to enhance comfort, while a muted color palette creates an inviting atmosphere for memorable gatherings. In 2025, formal dining room designs focus on a harmonious blend of elegance and modern functionality. Emphasizing organic shapes, curvilinear furniture, and exquisite flooring options like marble and pattern would create an inviting atmosphere. Unique, nature-inspired lighting fixtures add a touch of artistry, while luxurious finishes and sustainable materials elevate the overall aesthetic, ensuring a timeless yet contemporary dining experience. Contemporary formal dining room ideas emphasize sleek sophistication and functionality. Incorporate a minimalist design with clean lines and a neutral color palette, accented by bold artwork or statement lighting to create visual interest. Choose a stylish dining table paired with modern chairs, and consider textured elements like a plush area rug or decorative wall panels to enhance warmth and elegance. Non-formal dining room ideas focus on creating a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Embrace a mix of comfortable seating options, such as a cozy bench paired with casual chairs, to encourage conversation. Incorporate vibrant colors and playful decor, like art or plants, to add personality. Consider multifunctional furniture, allowing the space to easily transition from dining to casual gatherings or family activities. In conclusion, a formal dining room serves as a canvas for elegance and connection. By carefully selecting decor, lighting, and table settings, you can craft a space that enhances every meal. Let your dining area reflect your personality and invite warmth, ensuring it remains a cherished venue for celebrations and shared experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves interior design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.